What up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Education and Business. Today I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies. If you're in the financial industry, I'm sure you've heard of Bitcoin, crypto, and just the whole digital assets. Blockchain is pervasive in this world of finance, and definitely taking over the whole industry. And everyone knows about it, and if you haven't heard, the biggest number that everybody has been waiting for is this, including myself, is this $100,000 Bitcoin. And finally it happened, and the last time Bitcoin hit $10,000, the news just went all around the world. It's heard on every single news channel, and now we're going to start hearing so much news, so many different articles, messages, news, ads, just Bitcoin, cryptocurrency related news just all over the place. Now that Bitcoin is actually sitting over this $100,000 for a couple hours now, just everyone is just super excited. I mean, including myself. This is a very, very, very exciting time in blockchain, cryptocurrency, the future of money, the future of debasing, the future of the end to double entry accounting, the government printing money as well whenever they want. And now, I mean, including Jerome Powell coming out and saying, you know what? Cryptocurrency is a thing. It's actually a thing. It's a real thing. It's competing against gold, and he's actually out there kind of just giving in his own word what he thinks that Bitcoin is and where it is and what it competes against. And he's the Fed, the federal government, the guy that kind of says, you know what, let's print more money, let's not, kind of controls the federal funds rate, and as well as employment and taxation. I mean, that's employment and federal funds is like his main focus. And but now he's coming in and saying, you know what, maybe there's something going on in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is just amazing news. What I'm gonna do here in this video is I'm just gonna go over just kind of big cryptocurrency overall, which ones I think have potentially some values. This isn't financial advice or anything, just kicking it back, talking about what I think of the cryptocurrency world and some of the ones that I think that have potential, and how you can get some. Obviously, just to start at the basics, where you can buy crypto, you got Kraken, you have Coinbase, you have what else do you have? You got Uphold. I believe that's also an exchange where you can buy crypto from. There's multiple exchanges, but let's say you don't want to buy crypto on these exchanges, you want to buy it right on your stock, as a stock or as an ETF, or right within your brokerage. That is also possible, and I'm going to show you that here in this video. This is big news overall. I just wanted to kind of just show my excitement here with the community that Bitcoin has finally gone over this $100,000. Congratulations to anybody that's making money, and as you've noticed over the course of the past few months, we've seen crypto definitely explode. Specifically, anything that's not Bitcoin is called altcoins. All these are considered altcoins, and they have been just exploding lately, doing very well. I mean, as you can see, these are in a lot of these 69%, 9%, 21%. I mean, this one Stellar's down a little bit, but overall some of these coins are just going through the roof in the past 7 days. Now, the ones that I think are have great potential in moving and actually like making money in the alt season, and there's seasons to how crypto moves, Bitcoin moves, and alts move, and just kind of the Bitcoin just the mothership of all crypto moves, and then people kind of take that money and reinvest into the secondary altcoins that have the strongest market caps, the biggest market caps, the safer ones, and then they kind of just move along that way. And that's how most of the time this season, the Bitcoin season, altcoin season, that's how it's kind of gauged. So the ones that I really think have value, right, are the some of the ones that are gonna, I believe, will be used in the long term and have potential of actually impacting our financial industry as it is currently. So we have Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is just an app, practically, if you want to think about it, where people can go and develop different types of crypto right off of it. And it's a platform for applications. XRP, this is my probably second or third most valuable or technology blockchain that has great potential in growing. So my first one, I think my top number one starts right here with Solana. Solana has always been a great project. It was hurt due to FTX and a lot of FTX just kind of going under, some of the issues it had. But overall, this is a great project with a lot of developers, does transactions fast, cheap, and you're able to develop a lot of the apps that you're able to also do on Ethereum, but a lot cheaper and not as expensive. So Solana, XRP, ADA, and you got some meme coins here, but Solana, ADA, HBAR, Sui. These are some of my top favorite cryptos. As you can see, HBAR has moved in the past 7 days over 100%, and this is because it has value, and people see this as a valuable blockchain that really is going to change the way we deal with money. Just to go here and just read about what it is. HBAR is the most used sustainable enterprise-grade public network for decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications, dApps. It is designed to be a fair, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations that old blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. The instability, meaning they're specifically calling this out because sometimes, like crypto like Solana, or Sui, even though they're fast in doing transactions, sometimes they fail. The whole block kind of freezes for hours and hours until some kind of update, and they get it back and working again. So yeah, I guess my top cryptos are XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, and as well as HBAR and Sui. There's a whole bunch of other ones here that have great potential, but these are the ones that I think have great opportunity, that have great platforms that people can that build on the blockchain. Institutions that want to start using blockchain can start building on and practicing on, because they are cheap, they're fast, and they're scalable. And this is going to be very important in the blockchain industry. One thing with Ethereum, it's got one of the highest developers on here, but the problem they're facing is that it's very, very, very expensive to do any kind of transaction. Specifically, they use gas, so it's very expensive to do transactions on here, and slower as well. But obviously, this is the blockchain. People can develop on top of it to make things a lot more efficient. But overall, Ethereum has just been around very, very, very long time. XRP has been around for a long time, since the last bull market. So has Solana, Cardano. Sui has been around, but it's recently been it's been noticed by a lot of people in the market. Something special about Sui is that this is actually part of Libra, which was Facebook's original project that failed. did not fail, but the government kind of, said, hey, Facebook, you can't create your own currency that people can use on your page. So the government kind of shut that business down, and Sui is one of the two side projects that decided to continue that same idea that Facebook had, and kind of made it into a crypto, a platform where developers can develop whatever types of project that they want. So I have a lot of hope here in Sui. I think the technology itself is developed on the idea of being able to, for something that can be used by billions of people across the world, because Facebook has billions of people. So this whole business is made on the idea of, what, the world's going to use it, and what do they want? They want fast transactions. They don't want to pay a lot of fees, and they want to be, and just in that case, just with those two statements there, it's going to be something that's going to be developers are going to love and using, because of those scalability, latency, and ability to transact. So let's say you don't want to go make an exchange and buy all these different cryptos. You want to be able to buy some of these on your exchange. There's this company here, trust, Grayscale. I'm sure you've heard of it. They have a cryptocurrency products. Grayscale has pioneered the model of providing investors with exposure to crypto in the form of a security without challenges of buying, storing, and safekeeping it. So once again, I know you've heard the saying, not your key, not your wallet. In this case, it won't be your wallet. If you buy it on Coinbase, it won't be your wallet. The only time it will be your wallet is when you have moved the money to some kind of off exchanges into some kind of ledger, some kind of an off exchange wallet, and keep your crypto on there. In this case, if you buy it on these exchanges or on Coinbase, or even if you buy it on Kraken, not your money, not your wallet. But however, if you still want to get into cryptocurrencies, here you have a Grayscale product that you can find on any exchange, most exchanges, and be able to get into crypto. For example, starting from the top here, you have Grayscale Aave Trust. Aave, right here, AAVE, is a cryptocurrency that you can find here. AAVE. Where'd it go? There it is. And if you can buy the crypto, you can buy it here on your whatever exchange you use, Schwab, or whatever other exchange that maybe that you use. I don't know all the different exchanges that people use out there. You got Avalanche, you got Grayscale Basic Attention Coins, Bitcoin Cash, private placement only, Grayscale Chainlink, once again, a great project, really just great projects, is being used by a lot of institutions. Grayscale Decentralized Trust, private placement only, Grayscale Decentralized DeFi, Grayscale Ethereum Classic, Filecoin. Again, here this project is amazing as well, a great project to get into. Litecoin, I wouldn't personally, I would never get into a Litecoin. I would never buy it as crypto, or I wouldn't buy it within the Grayscale Trust either. They have Grayscale XRP placement only, private placement only right now, but I think later on I can see them adding this as something that you can just buy on just your exchange. Right now it's just private placement, meaning you probably have to be some kind of institutional investor to be able to buy those, but it is really amazing to see that Grayscale is starting to, like, there are places on real exchanges where you can buy and start investing into crypto. Here you got single assets. a lot of it is going to be the same. Grayscale, basic attention, bat, crypto. They have also have grayscale Bitcoin as well. Grayscale. Let's see, we got Litecoin again, Live Peer. I'm not seeing the entire list. I believe there's more than this. All. Yeah, I guess this is it. I guess this might be it. Let's go. Just check one more time. Grayscale, scale, cryptos. Grayscale, all crypto assets, investment products. Let's see. ETPs, Grayscale investment products. I think this is the same thing we saw. Yeah. So there you go. You can go in here, Bitcoin Cash. You can go in here and see all the different different types of crypto that Grayscale offers. As you can see, even Fidelity is looking into trading Bitcoin trading platform, and kind of talking about what they are. Grayscale. Let's go into Yahoo Finance and just look at some of the tickers. For example, actually, I go then. Grayscale. There's Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, Ethereum, Bitcoin Mini, Litecoin, Ethereum, Grayscale private. So as you can see, there's some here. They've provided a list, but I believe there's more than this that you're able to go out there and buy. But yeah, without that really is what I wanted to just kind of update you on. Bitcoin hitting the $100,000 a share with a coin, which is just insane to see, and still holding that 101,000. The highest it hit was like 103,000. That is just history in the making. Wanted to celebrate, as well as give you some of my top cryptos that I have been buying. I've held these for the longest time. I've had them for the longest time, and I portfolio weighted them according to what I think it's gonna give me the best return out of Ethereum, XRP, Solana, ADA, and HBAR, and SUI. All these are just amazing cryptos, and that's it. If you enjoy this kind of crypto talk, if you want me to get in more in depth into crypto, specific types of projects, maybe talk a little bit more about my favorite ones on here, go ahead and leave in the comment. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day.